So this is basically a short video about Anymeal version 1.28. So first you start Anymeal from the start menu and initially you want to import some recipes. So you can click on the import recipe button. You can usually leave this encoding as it is, and then you import a MealMaster file, and then now you can search the recipes by different criteria. For example, you can search for chocolate, you can search for cakes, so you have only one result left. Or you can go back to show all recipes. You can search for all recipes which have chocolate in there. For example, brownies. You can print a recipe, or you can even print multiple recipes by selecting them. You can go and print preview, and then you'll see what the printout will look like. You can go and print it on your printer. So as you have seen, the search is incremental. So basically I can first search for category for ingredient chocolate, for example. And then for search those results for cakes. Or you can search for a certain title. It's always incremental. And when you want to reset, you should click on show all recipes. You can, for example, edit a recipe as well. You can edit the current recipe or edit a copy of it or edit a new recipe. Here you can set the title, categories and servings amount. Here you have an ingredient editor with the main section and optional further sections. You can, for example, change the quantity, or you can change the unit or the ingredient title. And here you can edit the instruction text. You can also export. For example, if I want to export the carrot cake, I can right click export, or I can go on the toolbar on the export button. Then I select the exporting encoding errors file, then the output file. For example, carrot cake MealMaster. Now the recipe was exported. And then you can see the exported MealMaster file. Looks like that. Finally, there's also a converter window. So you can, for example, find out how much milliliter a cup is. It's 236 milliliter. Or you can also, if you, for example, want to convert a cup to weight for raisins, then you use the raisins density preset, and then you go to gram, then you know it's 144 grams is 1 cup of raisins. There's also a new category editor. So when you edit a recipe, let's say I edit this recipe, you can click on categories. Then you can see all the categories. You can also sort by number of recipes. can select categories, you can create new ones, you can rename existing ones. For example, I could rename this one. We can even merge categories. So you could, for example, if I wanted to, I could merge candies into cookies. So I would here type cookies and then merge it. I don't want to do this now. You can delete category or rename categories as well. Yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching.